Hello students, welcome to my channel. Class 12th Ncert Cbse Physics Lab Manual Activity Section B. Activity number 2. To observe refraction and lateral deviation of a beam of light incident obliquely on a glass slab. This is the aim, to observe refraction and lateral deviation of a beam of light incident obliquely on a glass slab. Apparatus and material required: drawing board, rectangular glass slab, white sheet of paper, adhesive tape, that is cello tape or drawing pins, emitter scale, all pin protector, sharp pencil and eraser. Principle: when a ray of light is incident on a rectangular glass slab, it is refracted through it. It emerges out of the slab parallel to the direction of incident ray. The emergent ray suffers only a lateral displacement. For a given angle of incidence and a pair of media, the lateral deviation is proportional to the thickness of the glass slab. Procedure: fix a white sheet of paper on the drawing board with the help of cello tape or drawing pins. Place the glass slab along lengthwise symmetrically at the center of the paper sheet and mark its boundary ABCD on the paper sheet with a sharp pencil. Draw a normal at a point F on the face AB. Draw a line EF representing the incident ray, making an angle I, the angle of incidence with the normal. You can also choose the point ABCD as you like and write in that way. Fix a two alpine P and Q with sharp tips about 8 to 10 cm apart vertically on the line EF. Observe the image of the two pins through the face opposite of the glass slab. Fix two more alpines R and S about 8 to 10 cm apart vertically on the white paper sheet carefully with their tips in the line with the tips of images of P and Q. Take care that tips of all the alpines appear to be a straight line. Remove the glass slab and mark the pin prick position of the alpines on the white paper sheet with a pencil. Draw a straight line GH representing the emergent ray passing through the points marked R and S meeting the face CD at G. Draw the line FG to represent the refracted ray. Draw a normal at the point G on the face CD, making an angle of emergence E with the normal. Measure the angle of incidence I and angle of emergence E with a protector. Write the values of these angles on the white paper sheet. Do you find some relation between I and E? Extrapolate EF forward to meet the face CD of the glass slab at O. Draw the perpendicular OL to the line GH. Check if the emergent ray GH is parallel to the incident ray EF along the original direction. It is laterally deviated by a perpendicular distance OL. Measure the lateral deviation OL equals to D and also the thickness of the glass slab. Repeat steps by changing the angle of incidence. Repeat the steps by using glass slab of different thickness. Measure the lateral deviation and thickness of the glass slab each time. Also write the value of I and E on the white paper sheet. But most of the students will do this experiment with a single glass slab. Record observation in the tabular form with paper proper unit. What inference do you draw from your observations? Like this, यानी यहाँ पर ग्लास स्लैब को रख करके यहाँ पे नॉर्मल पॉइंट ये 30 डिग्री पर खींचा गया है और यहाँ पे जो है ये दो पिन लगा करके और यहाँ से आप देखेंगे ये रिफ्रैक्ट होगा. अब ये चारों पिन एक सीध में दिखनी चाहिए. अब ये सेट जो है इस तरह से बनेगा. ये 30 डिग्री के लिए है, ये 45 डिग्री के लिए है. यहाँ पर ये रेज जो है इंसिडेंट और रिफ्रैक्टेड बोथ आर पैरेलल टू each other. O, ये फेस पॉइंट O से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा किया गया है, ये ड्रा OL है और यही जो है जो बीच की परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस है, यही डिस्टेंस इसका लेटरल डेविएशन है. When angle of incidence is 30 degree, angle of emergence also 30, so both rays are parallel. Angle of incidence is 45 degree, angle of emergence also 45. Incident rays and emergent rays both are parallel and lateral deviation is 1.6 centimeter. This is the figure. इन दोनों फिगर से कोई आप एक ड्रा करेंगे, सेम फिगर है, ये लैब में बनाया गया और ये उसी का ये फिगर है, तो दोनों में से कोई आप एक फिगर बनाएंगे. ऑब्जर्वेशन, लीस्ट काउंट ऑफ द प्रोटेक्टर 1 डिग्री, लीस्ट काउंट ऑफ मीटर स्केल 1 mm that is 0.1 सेंटीमीटर, मेजरिंग द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस I, एंगल ऑफ इमरजेंस E एंड लेटरल डेविएशन D, थिकनेस ऑफ द ग्लास स्लैब, angle of incidence, angle of emergence, lateral deviation. Same thickness means glass slab same है तो thickness same होगी. अब यहाँ पे 30 डिग्री के लिए 0.9, 45 डिग्री के लिए 1.6 सेंटीमीटर lateral deviation है. Result, the ray of light emerging from a glass slab is parallel to the incident ray direction but is laterally deviated. The lateral deviation of the emergent ray with respect to the incident ray is directly proportional to the thickness of the glass slab. Thanks for watching.